Hello everyone, gshock here. Today I want to disassemble a GLS-5600 square model and have a look what's inside. So let's begin. Okay, here we are. I already disassembled the module only. Take this one out of the GLS-5500 model and also GLS-5600 model. If you look on the back plate, they do have similar module. Even the size are exactly the same. The shape are exactly the same as well, all the way to the O-ring and also this back cushioning in gray. So what I'm gonna attempt to do right now is swap the module. Technically, in theory, they could work because they have similar looks as far as the other components. So this is 5.5, this is 5.6. This one was taken out of the 5500. Hold on, let me. It's out of focus. All right, this one was taken out of the 5500 module from here, and I'm gonna put this thing in here, and in theory, it could work. Let's see now. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, totally compatible. Let's see now if I could move this one in here. Holy, my mind is really blown off right now. Look at that, I could fit in a 5.6 into a 5.5 and 5.5 into 5.6, and the design look like. What do you guys think? I think it looks a lot better now for this full gloss white version. It matched very well with the display. Whereas this one, not so much, because I mean it should be white, but there you go, it could work. I could use the watch, no problem at all. And there you have it. You could swap between these two. So if you have a problem with your 5600 model, and if you're afraid that about the mud resisting feature or about the watch, take the module out, plug it in this 5500 profile, and you're good to go, and you have yourself a different size G-Shock watch, which both of them still a traditional square design. One released in 1983, another one released in 1985. Originally I'm planning to disassemble this module and have a look what inside, but I already do so in the video for this GLS-5500 model interior. So if you want to know the details, just check this video out and then you'll understand right away, because I'm sure they are exactly the same. So there's really no need for me to do it again. So I'm just gonna end this video over here. Hope you guys learned something from this simple short video. If you want to swap the battery, just take this out, plug it in, perform the AC operations, you're good to go. That's very, very easy. So that's it guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. This is GHF and I'm